Stop scrolling if you're broke. If you're tired of stretching your last dollar until payday and watching your bank account play hide and seek, then buckle up. We're about to expose the 5 unbreakable money rules that rich people swear by. Mess these up, you stay broke. Follow them, you'll be stacking cash like a pro. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. The rich do, the broke don't. Most people get their paycheck and immediately start making it rain on bills, food, and impulse buys. The rich? They pay themselves first. That means before you buy that overpriced iced coffee, at least 20% of your money should be sent straight to investments and savings. Think of it like this. Imagine you're the CEO of You Inc. Would a successful CEO let the business go broke every month? Nah. You gotta start running your finances like a boss. But let's be real. Saving money feels painful at first. You see that money in your account and your brain says, "Ooh, new sneakers?" Stop right there. Instead, set up an automatic transfer so that saving money happens before you even realize it. You won't miss it because it was never yours to spend in the first place. Future, you will thank you. And here's a pro tip. If you struggle to save, rename your savings account to something motivating, like Dream House Fund or Freedom Fund. This small mental trick makes saving exciting, not painful. And if you're serious about building wealth, increase your savings percentage over time. Start at 10% if 20% feels like too much, but make it a goal to raise it every few months. Another strategy? Save your raises. Every time you get a pay bump, instead of upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your investments. The goal is to make your future so rich that your past self will look back and say, "Damn, we did that." Rule number 2, make your money work while you sleep. Ever notice how the rich don't just rely on a 9-to-5? That's because saving money alone won't make you rich. Your money needs a job. Inflation is eating away at your cash like Pac-Man. So if you're not investing, you're losing. Stocks, real estate, index funds, pick your weapon. But make sure your money isn't just chilling in your bank account collecting dust. A dollar invested today is a dollar that will grow while you sleep. That's how wealth is built. Think about it like this. If you plant a seed today, you'll have a tree in the future. But if you just sit there thinking about planting a seed, guess what? You're still broke, and you still have no tree. So stop hesitating. Open an investment account and start with whatever amount you can. Even $5 invested today is better than $0. And if you're worried about risk, remember this. The biggest risk is doing nothing at all. The rich don't avoid risk. They learn how to manage it. Start by investing in what you understand. If you're clueless about stocks, start with a simple S&P 500 index fund. If real estate sounds intimidating, research house hacking or REITs. The key is to start. Rule number 3, never rely on just one income stream. If your only source of income is your job, you're playing financial Russian roulette. One pink slip and you're toast. The rich, they stack multiple income streams, side hustles, investing, online businesses. It's like having a financial safety net. If one income stream fails, another one keeps the cash flowing. Imagine your finances like a chair. Would you rather have one shaky leg or 4 strong ones holding you up? Start building that wealth chair now. Let's talk about side hustles real quick. Some people think side hustles mean working 100 extra hours a week. Nah, that's not it. We're talking smart hustles, starting a YouTube channel, selling digital products, flipping sneakers, even renting out a room on Airbnb. These income streams run in the background and keep cash coming in. Because let's be honest, you can't grind forever. But your money, it can. Here's a simple way to start. Think about what skills you already have. Are you good at writing? Freelance on Fiverr. Like gaming? Try streaming? Love social media? Become a content manager. Find something you enjoy and monetize it. Bonus tip. Use your 9-to-5 to fund your 5-to-9. Work your job, but don't let it be the only thing feeding you. Take that paycheck and invest it into your side hustle so it can grow into something bigger. Rule number 4, debt is not the enemy, but stupid debt is. A lot of people hear debt and immediately panic. But here's the truth. Debt isn't bad. Bad debt is swiping your credit card for things you don't need, maxing it out, and then barely making minimum payments. Good debt? That's borrowing money that makes you more money, like buying rental properties, funding a business, or even taking out a loan to learn a high-income skill. The wealthy use debt as a tool to build assets, while the broke use it to buy liabilities. The question is, are you using debt to level up or to trap yourself? Imagine this. Two people both take out $20,000 in loans. One buys a new car that loses value instantly. The other invests in real estate and rents it out, making back more than their loan payment each month. Who's winning? You already know. Your credit score matters. It's like your financial reputation. The better it is, the more wealth-building opportunities you'll have. Learn how to play the game. Want a hack? Use your credit card like a debit card. Pay it off in full each month. Never spend what you don't have and watch your credit score soar. Rule number 5. Mindset equals your biggest financial weapon. If you think like a broke person, you'll stay broke. Wealth starts in your mind. The rich see money as a tool, not something to fear or waste. Broke people say, "I can't afford it." The wealthy say, "How can I afford it?" That tiny mindset shift changes everything. Think of money like a game. The people who win aren't the ones working the hardest. They're the ones who learn how the game works. And the best part? You can learn too. Surround yourself with people who are winning financially. Your network is your net worth. If the people around you only talk about spending money, it's time to level up your circle. Your next move. Which of these money rules do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. Also, hit that like button if you're ready to level up your finances in 2025. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Flow Studio for more no BS money tips that will change your life. Success isn't about luck. It's about learning the right rules and playing to win. See you in the next video.